execution. If you have to tell why it is used for, it is mainly used for batch execution. Batch execution and group execution, parallel execution. Yes. By using TestNG, we perform. By using TestNG, we can perform what? Batch, not only batch execution, we can perform group execution, parallel execution, and we can generate the required and we can implement additional annotations and run only failed test steps. What do you mean by this group execution? What do you mean by parallel execution? Or how to achieve this group? How to achieve this parallel execution? Yesterday we have seen only one thing, that is how to create a report. Okay, how to see the report. It will create it. We are not creating. Extent is creating it automatically, but we know how to see it. Now, how to run only failed test case also today I will show you possible. Then additional annotations. Yesterday we have seen one annotation. What is the annotation name? What is the annotation name? What is the annotation name? At the rate test. It is called as at the rate test. Okay. One second. It is my Eclipse is still loading. It is still opening. I hope everyone has installed TestNG except one, right? Except Ravindra. Everyone has installed yesterday. Okay. What happened to Tamanna? What happened to you? Installed or not? I don't know why you left. Okay, actually, yesterday I've taken the session around 6:30 to 7, 6:30. I don't know why you came and left. Okay, it's okay, fine. If you are facing still issues, let me know after the class. I'll connect to you and then I will resolve your issue. Sir, actually, I'm not installed, sir. At 6 p.m. I will attend your class, but I missed, sir, because of that, sir. I have a baby girl and she is very crying too much, so that's why I'm just fine. After the class, today, one of the class. Yes, okay. Whenever you guys are leaving, at least inform me. Okay. So I'll come to know. Okay, why you guys are leaving. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Just inform a message with the chat room and then leave. Okay. Okay. We know how to install TestNG. I have given the steps. Everyone, okay, please go through the steps. Okay. If you're not installed, try to follow the steps. Still not able to install, we'll see. I will help you how. Okay. And also, whenever how to create a test class. Yesterday we have seen how to create one test class. This is how we are going to create the test class. Okay, this is how we are going to create one test class. Okay, any method, you create one method, any method with the at test annotation, which is nothing but the test method. Method. Okay, what do you mean by test class? A class which contains test methods. Okay. What do you mean by test method? Which is having test annotation. Actually, in real time, one test method will be equal to one test case. Okay. Always remember this. One test method will be equal to what? One test case. In a test class, we can maximum. And yesterday I showed you how to perform batch execution. What do you mean by batch execution? Running more than one class, test class. How to run more than one class? Okay, if it is having more than one class, right click on automation. Is it always automation? No, I can also see here. Yesterday I forgot to told you, I can also right click on the package also, go to TestNG, and go to TestNG. I can convert package also, Java project also, classes also I can select and convert. Can select right click, go to TestNG, convert to TestNG. The class will comes automatically. You can convert Java project, you can convert package, you can convert classes also. Assume that there are 10 classes. Let me create one more class. To show you batch execution. Yesterday, you have already done this. I'm just revising. Now I want to execute these two classes in one shot. Okay, that is nothing but what? Is it always two? No, 100 classes means 100 classes in one click. I want to execute all the 100 classes. Either you can do right click on automation and convert to TestNG, or you can right click on the package convert to TestNG. That is also possible. 100 classes I can select whichever I do right click, go to TestNG, convert to TestNG. Click on finish. Now I want to execute both the classes. Now I can execute. This is nothing but batch execution. See, demo to demo, both are executed. It will execute both the test cases. Okay, in demo 2, delete customer is there. In demo 1, create and modify customer there. Click on console, double click on the console, you can see here. Delete customer, create customer, modify customer. Okay, this is how we can perform 100 classes. Means here you will get 100 classes one after the other. Like demo 2, demo 1, demo, like create customer, modify customer, whatever the test case name, okay, test class name we have given. Every classes will come under classes will come. Okay, this is the what this is syntax guys. First soup will come, then test tag, then classes. Inside classes we have class. How many number of classes we have, everything will come. Okay, 100 classes means 100 class you can see. Okay, in real time we never use main method. Always remember we never use main method in real time. Every time we are going to use this. Okay, at the rate test only. At the rate test. Now we can write only one main method, but here, even though it works like a main method, okay, we are going to call it as test method. Okay, we are not going to call this as a main method. Okay, because it is allowing more than one test method. Okay, maximum 15 methods in a class we can run. Now there are two test cases. Here, if I execute this class, only one class if I execute, it will execute create customer first, then modify customer. Because of what? Because it will execute in alphabetical order. If I want to execute in required order, you have to use priority. Priority equals, I want to execute create customer second, but modify customer. Okay. Here I will give priority equals 1. Okay. Now modify customer will execute first. Okay. Create customer will be executed next. Okay, because of priority. Default priority is what? 0. Okay. You can give negative value, but you cannot give fraction or decimals. Okay. Now, for example, I want to create customer 2 times. For that, what I will give? I can give invocation. Okay, invocation count. Okay, whenever I want to execute the same test case. Okay, whenever I want to execute same test case multiple times, then I will go for invocation count. I want to execute 10 means it will execute 10 times. Create customer test case will be executed 10 times. Okay. Same way, I can also give hands-on method. Means modify customer has to be executed only if create customer is executed successfully. Okay, what do you mean by that? Because without creating a customer, if customer itself is not there, I cannot modify. So that's the reason I will tell. Okay, I want to execute modify customer only if create customer is executed successfully. Else you don't execute. Okay, how to provide dependencies testing is there is one feature called depends on. Okay, depends on methods. Here give the method name. What is the method name? Create customer. Copy this method name. Give it here. Okay, means I am telling. Okay, you modify customer execute only if this create customer test case is successfully passed, or if the test case is passed. If test case is failed, this create customer is failed, you don't execute only. Okay. Now if I execute, see here what is the priority I have given? Priority is one. Actually, modify customer should execute first, right? Create customer should execute second. Okay. Now if I execute this test case, create customer will be executed first because of depends on method. Okay. We'll see that now. See what is executed? Create customer executed. How many times?
10
10
times.
times. I have given 10. So it is executing 10 times. 10 times. I don't want 10 times. One time is enough. Or two times. Okay. One is. Let me execute. That execution is done. Double click. See here. Even though create customer priority is 2, modify customer priority is 1, why it is executing this create customer first?
Give invocation.
Anyone tell me why it is executing create customer first?
Invocation change చెప్పండి రే.
It will dominate that method priority. So first it will include that detection method, then it will go for priority.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Whenever you will both priority depends on method, it will always works on depends on method only. It doesn't care about the priority. Okay. They will get the understood. Any doubts here? No, sir. Yes. Okay. Fine. See, if I remove depends on method, which one will be executed first now? Then
Okay.
now, in this case.
Create customer.
Modify customer, then create customer. So these are the things we have seen yesterday. If I give depends on method, when I give depends on each, okay, it will throw cyclic data in next year. Okay, next question. Sir, if I want to fix that create customer test case, then to check that depends on method is working or not like that. So how can we? No, you can just fail the test case. Sir, I showed you. No, I will tell you what is this answer dot. Today, if possible, I will take it. See here, now if I execute, this modify customer will not be executed. It will not execute only one test case will be executed. See here, no, it is skipped. Okay. See here, it is telling skips one. It is printing only create customer. See, is it printing modify customer here? No, it is throwing here. Okay, because intentionally I have failed this case. Okay, it is nowhere it is printing. Okay, even if you go to report, you can see that. Let me go to report. How to see the report? Right click on automation, refresh, open the text output folder, right click on evaluable output, open the see one test case skipped, one is failing. And here it is printing the message. Here it is printed the message. Create customer is printed, whereas modify customer is not printed. Here, modify customer is not printed. It's not executed. It is skipped. Okay. You can see the report. Okay. Here, fail one, pass 0, skip 1. Okay. What if it's other dot 5? We'll see that later. This is what we have done in the last class, guys. Okay. Let us move to the next. Tell me. What will happen if you are not giving that priority and dependency? Like, will it execute in alphabetical order, or the game will be given the method in alphabetical order? Yes, it will execute. See, if I don't give anything, it will execute in alphabetical order. Okay, this will be executed in alphabetical order. Even though if you fail the test case also, this will fail and it will continue execution. This test case will be executed. Notes. What is the notes I have given yesterday? Anyone please read out the last line of the notes. Anyone read the last line of the notes? A question, did I give any question? How do you disable the test method? Okay. 1 second. Here, okay, I forgot to tell you guys. One guy is okay. Sorry, actually, it's my mistake. Okay, Somo guy, what is asking? Shall I give multiple depends on method? For example, let me put. Okay. See, three test cases are there: create customer, modify customer, delete customer. For delete customer, shall I give depends on like this? Depends on method equals. I want to give both create customer also. If create customer and modify customer is passed, then only I want to execute depends this delete customer. How to give multiple parameters or multiple depends on method? Put comma here. You give modify customer. Okay, like this. Then you put it inside the flower spaces. Like this. Here. Now, if both these pins are passed, then only delete customer will be executed. Okay, how to give multiple? How to give the multiple depends on method? Okay. For example, there are different types of creating customer. I want to execute delete customer. Only if create customer 1 or create customer 2 is passed. Here, only if I want to execute create customer, only I want to execute delete customer, only create customer and only modify customer are passed. See, now both are executed. Okay. Okay. Anyone tell me what? Read out the notes. Please read out the notes. What I have given in the last question. So the last question was, how do you disable the test method? Why we are not use? Why are we not using this system that out.println? Okay. Why we are using report.log? Anyone? Why are we using this report.log instead of system.out.println only on console? I will write only on the console. What happens if I use report.log? If I use report.log, it will print on both console and report. Yes. Both. When you give, what happens if I give? I will not give anything. Now where it will be printed? What happens if I don't give it? It will print on console. You print it only on the report. Okay. This now printed only on the report. It is not printed on the console. Okay. Are you guys getting? Reporter.log is able to print it on the report. Okay. Whereas SOP is able to print it on the console. If you want to print on both the report and console, then you have to give true. That's it. Here, come true. Okay, come on true, you have to give. Okay. Put heading called important annotations. If you want these guys, if you want, you can take down. Yes, that's it. Okay. So it's the runtime. Okay. We're giving instruction to JVM or Java compiler. So it's the runtime. Annotation is a method of or providing special instructions to the Java compiler of Java JVM or runtime. This one of I have given annotations in important annotations. I have given one. Okay, we'll see one by one. Okay, what is this before method? This is after method. Before class, after class, before test, after test, before soon, after. This much we're going to see. Okay, what is this before method and after method? We'll see that. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, assume that there is only one class called demo class. In that there is one test case. Okay, which is nothing but test method, which is having only create customer. Okay, here I will be writing steps for creating the customer inside the method. Now, what is this before method? We'll see the before method public void. I'll give some method name login. Okay, 1 second. I'll give a method name as what? Login. Then I will print reporter dot log. I'll give it as login to application, login to app or application. I want to print it on the console. Place your cursor on here. Tell me which one I should select. 1, 2, third one or second one? Third one. Third. Okay, fourth method is saying because it is coming from the one more thing is after method public void logout. Logout of the application. Logout of the app. Okay. Place the cursor on the header. Change the after method. It should check it here. org.testng should be there. Never taking anything from it. If I execute this is one test case. This is configuration methods. What do you mean by that? I'll tell you. Now if I execute this, okay, we'll see first what will be executed. See here, log into app. Then, okay, 1 second, I have not given true there. 1 second, let me execute one more time. Here I have not given true. T or Eureka will save it. Now I will execute. If I execute this, okay, we'll see what first will be executed. See here, login is executed first, login to application. Then create customer got executed. At last, okay, what is executed? What is executed at the last? Logout of the application. I will just simply put, okay, login app is not required. I'll just simply put login. Okay, create customer, login, create customer, then log. Okay, if I execute this, first login will be executed. I don't know, I'm going in real time, we're going to write the login program. first login, then create customer got executed, log out once. Okay. Now what I will do, one second, give me a second. I will put other test cases also here on the. Okay, I will put other test cases like what are the other test cases we are having? One is what? Modify customer. One is modify customer. One more is what? Again, I have added modify customer. Delete customer. Also, I will remove this. Okay. This depends on method I will put on. Totally, how many test cases we have? Okay, how many test cases?
3,
We have
4.
one is create customer. Okay, I will read it one second so we can see it. It doesn't care wherever you put. Okay? It doesn't care wherever you put. See now how many test cases we have? 5. One is create customer, modify customer, delete customer. Totally 3 test cases along with before method and after method. We'll see how it will execute. Okay, or I will delete anyone. Modify customer, delete customer, and delete. Only 2 test cases. We'll see what is the output. Okay. One is create customer, one more is modify customer. We'll see the output along with before method and after. Now if I execute this, okay, if I execute this, what is happening is actually how many methods we have? 4, right? One login, logout, create customer, and modify customer. Here, login. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I have not given modify customer. It didn't get true. True. So that we can see it properly. Okay. Now let me execute. See a number of test cases executed too. Okay, what are those?
Create customer.
Create customer. See how execution happens. Login, then create customer, log. Again login, modify customer executed, again log. This is how I have written how many times? How many times I have written? Now I will add delete customer also. Let me add delete customer also. Now I have added delete customer also. I will give true for this. Now you tell me what is out. Tell me the output. So there are 3 test cases. Okay, this is not the test case. Okay, this is called as this is not like a main method. This is the configuration methods. Means how this executed is it will be executed before method means it will be executed every time before the test method.
Okay.
10 means 10 times before the test method, before the test case. Okay, after method means how many number? Assume that 10 means 10 times after method. But I have written only once. I have written only once, but still it will be executed how many number of times? 10 means 10 times. 100 means 100 times.
Okay.
Okay. Here 3 means now if I execute
3 times.
Totally it should execute 3 times. Let's see that. Whether it is going to be executed 3 times or not. See a number of test cases 3. Okay. What are those? Create, delete, and modify. See, login, create customer, log out. Login, delete customer, log out. Again login, modify customer, log. How it is going to be executed? How it will be executed? Now tell me what is the output. Now by looking at the code, tell me. I have one test case called create customer, delete customer, that's it. One before method which is the holding login, after method which is having logout. Now tell me anyone, tell me the output.
Who?
Tell me the
Busan.
Yes, correct. Okay. If modify customer is there means login, create customer, modify customer, modify customer, login, modify customer, like that. times. 20 test cases means 20 times 20 is okay. Please take down this method. Okay. Please take down this class. No editing for this without editing. Okay, you have to, if anyone asks you, you have to tell every test. Means what is the meaning of that is 100 means 100 times you test. 10 means 10 times you test. But how many times we write it? Only one. Okay. Same way after method also. After method means or after method will be executed every test method after the every test. Okay. Take down this. That's all. Shall I give you priority? No. Priority I cannot give it for the before and after method. No. You cannot give it. So it is tail only for under it. It is given only for under it. We cannot give. Okay, we cannot give priority for this before method and after method.
Sir, if tail after method is there, so how it will execute?
Let me give priority to before method one. Like it will not take. Compiler will not know. Now tell me what is your issue. Tell me.
Sir, if there is 10 after method in a
here I will print a reporter.log open. Okay. Please consider this. Tell me which one I should select. Before class is also there in JUnit. Before class is also there in test HT. You should always select before class test HT. Okay. Now same way I will put one more thing called after class. Okay, public. Close browser. I want to close the browser. After executing, I want to close the browser. Okay. Same thing. After class also should be taken from test HT only. Okay. Now if I execute, okay, we'll see what happens. Now see here, open the browser is to execute it first. Log in, then create customer, log out, close the browser. Okay. First, which one will be executed? Tell me. First, which one will be executed?
Open browser.
First, which one will be executed first? Before method. Before method. Then at the right test. After method. At last after class. What happens if I put one more test case? What happens if I put one more test case? Let me put that one more test case. Instead of create customer, I will put what delete customer. Here also same thing. Now tell me, what is the output? How many times before class will be executed? How many times after class?
2 times. 2 times. 2 times.
I'm getting confused, sir. Okay, we'll see. What is the output? Only one time before class will be executed. Okay. See here. The open browser is coming from before class.
Okay.
One time executed. Then create customer.
Okay.
Before class got executed. One time. Okay. Means this before class means it will be executed before this demo class. After class means after this demo class. So we are executing this class, so it will be executed only once. Whereas before method means it will be executed for every test method. also same. After execution of every test. Okay. Now I will give one assignment. You guys try it out and tell me. Or else tell me the output. Okay. Tell me the output. Okay. I will use edit customer instead of create customer. Edit customer. Okay. There is one test case called edit customer. Okay. Then we have delete customer. Here I will give priority equals to comma. I will give invocation count equals to. Okay, then delete customer, let it be like that. Okay, I will put one more test case called @test public void register customer. Now anyone try this and tell me the output. Write it down first and tell me the output.
ఇట్లా చెప్తుంది.
Okay. The output you have to tell.
So can I then open the login field?
One second. Just open one notepad. We will see who will tell the correct output. Very, very important. Okay. So we have not driven the inner. Okay, I will give time, plenty of time to write it down. Tell me the output, Priya. Tell me first. Okay.
Open browser.
Open browser. Okay.
Format login.
Then delete customer.
Delete customer.
Then log out.
Okay. Then log out.
Then login.
Then login.
Then register customer.
Register customer.
Then log out.
Then log out. Okay.
Then login.
Login.
Edit customer.
Then 2 times edit customer.
Okay.
2 times log customer. Here also one more time. 2 times edit customer. OMER. Okay.
Then log out.
Log out.
Then close browser.
Then close. Anyone? Again, edit customer, log out. Okay. Then edit customer, log in. Edit customer, log out. Okay. Close. Okay. Anyone having different open browser, login, edit customer, log out, login, register customer, log out. Again login, edit customer, log out. Again login, edit customer, log out. Last close it. Okay. Take on the program. What has the priority equal to 2? So I think it will come after register customer. No. What is the default priority then? What is the default priority? He is coming after R. Why you register customer is executing here? What happens if I don't give priority? It will give priority equals 0. Which one is lesser? Register customer will be executed. Okay. Here priority is 2. That's the reason edit customer will be executed after the registered customer. Getting clear or not? Don't give priority. You can put priority equals 0.
Zero.
This
Okay.
is edit customer is also 0. Registered customer is also 0. Okay. Then it will execute D. Since D comes in alphabetical order first, then it will execute R. Then it will execute edit customer. Okay. Tell me, Priyanka. You're asking why that login, logout 2 times for the scheme of the invocation count is 2. For that, you are asking.
Yes, sir. Why is that needed?
Two test cases. No, this is one test case. Edit customer is, there are 2 edit customers will be executed. One, this one, and again this one. So it will take it as 2 test cases.
But
So
sir, after login, already it is in edit customer only, no? So it will change the window.
Yes, like how we have done login for one test case. Now totally how many test case? Here 1, 2, 3. Again, one more we will put edit customer. So 4 test cases we have. So 4 times login, execute 4 times logout.
Achha, it doesn't need the invocation 2, 3 doesn't matter. Just every time it will login and log on, login, log out.
Every test case we have to log. Every test case. Okay, invocation count 2 means it will to create 2 test cases. 2 times will be executed same test case. Means count will be 2. 2 times it will be executed. Okay.
Edit customer, then register, and then this edit customer.
Yes. But I give like this. 1.
Yeah.
First delete customer, then register customer, then edit customer. Same. Whatever it is now we have given same things.
Okay.
But don't give priority, then CS let me not to give priority, then we execute now.
Alphabetical order.
Then it will execute according to alphabetical order.
Yes, sir.
Alphabetical order. Here. Delete customer, then edit customer executing 2 times. Then
Yes.
register customer executing last. Are you guys getting? Okay. Okay. Fine. Then take this. Put it first before so before this. Put it in quota first.
Let's show the previous question.
Okay. Put it in quota assertion. How do you fail the test? How do you fail the test in the test? Using assert.fail. How do you intentionally fail the test? I will show it. Then put heading called. After this, put heading called assertion. How do you intentionally fail the test? Using assert. Okay, in this assertion, we'll see that. Okay, it's already 12:45 almost, so cannot start the delete this. Valid login. Okay, let me delete this demo too. It's not required. Okay, let me create a class first. Valid login. Anything. I can create a test class or anything. Okay, tell me how to create one test method. I want to create one test. For that, you have to put @test
Void.
public. Syntax is what public. Is it always void? Yes. Always public? Yes. Yeah, any method. What's the method name? I can give test login. Okay. For active application, what I want to do is here I want to Open ActiTime application. Open the browser first, then enter the URL. URL is what? Demo.actitime.com is the URL. Then I want to enter the username, enter the password, then click on login button. Okay. Then click on the login button. Enter the username admin. Then enter the password manager. Then click on login button. Then after that, after clicking on the login, I want to check whether, okay, am I getting home page or not? Tell me how to check whether am I getting home page or how to verify.
If it's
After clicking on login button, how to check whether I am getting home page or not? Then how can I check? The title is compared with the title. Correct. Compare the title. Absolutely right. If the title is this one, pass the test case. If title is not enter time track something, then fail the test case. Okay. Let me do that. Anyone tell how to do this? One static block for system.set property. One is key and one more is value. WebDriver
dot
dot
chrome dot driver dot driver slash chrome driver slash
Okay, done. Next step.
web
Open the
driver is equal to new chrome driver.
driver is new driver. Driver is equal to new chrome driver. How to enter the URL? Driver dot
Get
what is the demo dot actitime. Open the browser, enter the URL, done. Next step. How to do login? Tell me. I want to enter admin
driver dot send keys inspect दिल मेरा देखो ना.
Okay. I don't want to log in. Okay. I will not do login. I will just check the whether title of this. Okay. I don't want to log in. After opening the browser, entering the URL, I want to check whether login page is coming up. Okay. We'll do that first. Okay. Login page. Yes, here login page is coming or not. Title should be login. After opening the browser, entering the URL. Okay. I want to check whether what is the title of this page? How to get the title manually? Anywhere, right click inspect. We can see it, but how to get it? Okay, we'll see that. Yeah, always remember, title will be present inside the header. Okay. Here, what's the title?
login.
Okay, login. I will put expected title. Expected title
Dot is equal to
equals
actitime
what my expected title.
string
Okay, now okay, what is the actual title? How to get the actual title then? How to get the actual title? Driver, that's correct. Driver. Get title. Okay, now I want to compare. Tell me how to compare. How to compare actual and expected.
if actual title is equal to dot equals to or equals to expected title.
Here it's reporter or even shall I reporter dot report log
Reporter dot log.
So, else, tell me what I should put in else.
Else,
Title is matched, or title is matching and pass. Here title not matching. Title is not matched. So failed. Okay, so failed. Title is matched and passed. Okay, title is not matched, so failed. Okay, we'll see. Then close the browser. How to close the browser? Driver.close. Driver.close. Let me execute this program. Enter the URL. Then check whether login page is displaying or not. Okay, active type hyphen login should be there. Okay, it should title is matched and passed. Okay, you should get that. Started. Then bring it up. So done. It has timing. That's good. Tomorrow also I'll repeat this. Open the browser tab. Next step. What's the next step? Enter the URL. Tomorrow means Saturday. Sorry, Monday I'll be taking the class. Open the browser, done. Next step, entering the URL, that is also done. Now get the title, compare the title, and then close the browser. If it is matches, it will pass the test case. If not matching, it will fail. Title is matched and passed. Are you able to see it? Title is matched and passed. Here also passed. One test case. If you go to report, there also you can see how to see the report. Refresh, right click, refresh,
right click.
test output folder, open this emailable icon report. Here also you can see here one test case passed. Title is matched and passed. I'm getting the message. Okay, now what I want is I want to fail the test case. Intentionally I want to fail the test case. Tell me the solution. I don't want to use that asset that fail. No, not like that. If I give some wrong title, it is going to fail, right?
Yeah.
How to fail the test case? Give wrong title. Give some wrong title. Instead of active time, you give 1, 2, 3, something like that. I will give 1, 2, 3. Okay. Instead of active time, okay, I will give my time. Okay, my time. Something like that. My time I will give. Title is what? My time. Instead of active time login, I have given what? My time logout I will give. My time iPhone something you give. Okay, it still fail. Okay. Now intentionally we are failing the test case. Still see. Let me execute this test case now. Whether it is going to fail the test case or not. First of all, I'm actually doing this second one. I will close all this stuff. Now, what I'm doing, trying to do is open the browser first step, then enter the URL. After entering the URL, check the title is active time login or not. If active time login, if I'm getting login page, okay, then pass the test case. If I'm not getting that login page, then fail the test case. That is what my test is. That is what I've done here. Okay, open the browser. Line number 14, then entering the URL, line number 15. I am telling, okay, actually, what is the item where we verify now? Okay, then expected item who is going to give if it is a test case, manual test engineer will going to give this expected item. Okay, it will be kept Excel file. Okay. Expected title is this one. Okay. Actual title you will get it from the after opening the browser. From the driver you are going to get the title. This is your actual title. After opening the browser, entering the URL, you will get the title. Now that is your actual title. I'm storing actual title in actual title variable. Here I am comparing. What I am doing is if both are matches, I am passing the test case. Title is matched and passed. Else, if the title is not matching, it will come to its block. Then title is not matched, so fail. So it will fail the test case and then close the browser. Now intentionally, instead of active type, I will give my type or log out something like that. Now it will come. Here it will not go to hills. If block, it will go to else block. It will fail the test case. It will close. We'll see that. Let me execute the program. Done. Okay. Executed. Executing. Opening the browser. Done. Open the browser. Then entering the URL is also done. See now what it is telling past, but here is printing the message as what title is not matched, so failed. Let me go to report. How to see the report? Right click, refresh, open this emailable icon. Right click, open with web browser. See here it is printing the message as pass. But message is what? Title is not matched, so failed. But it is not failing the test case. It is just displaying the message as failed, but it is not actually failing the test case. Or it is getting what happens here is what is this if else means it is not failing on passing the test case. It will simply execute. That's it. It will just simply print it. What is this report.log means? Print it on the console or print it on the report. Actually, it should fail the test case. Okay, but it is not failing the test case. It is simply if title matching, it is going to print this inside the if block. Title not matching, then it will execute inside whatever it is present inside the else block. That is not enough for me. I want to fail the test case. Okay, whenever you want to validate anything, you have to use what? Assertion. Okay, hazard is a class, guys. In that, there are methods are present. All the methods are static methods. You have to use whenever you want to validate anything in test engine, you have to use assertion. Because this if else will not have capacity, okay, to pass or fail the test case. It will simply execute. That's it. If both are matching, you execute this statement line number 19. That's it. Not matching, come to else block, then execute line number 20. Okay, the same thing I will be repeating on Monday. Okay, we'll see you on Monday. Don't take anything now. I will repeat the same thing. Assertion will be repeated on Monday. Okay. It is almost 1 o'clock. I cannot take it. Okay, we'll see you on Monday. But are you guys getting roughly? Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. It is not actually pass or fail in the test case. Okay. It is simply execute. That's it. If title matching, it will execute if block inside the if block. If title not matching, it will execute inside. Yes. That's it. Yeah, we can. Yes.
After that, like we have to, here we have to select new customer. After that, we have to take data from Excel and we have to put some name here. And after that, like we have to put the project name and some task name. So that was the assignment. So in that, like actually I have done till here, like till here I was done, and after that, like I have created a separate method to take data from the Excel. So in that, like, I don't know further what to do. Like,
Okay, show me. Show me the Eclipse now.
I have
Show me
created this. Yes, sir. Actually, it was taking time. Yes. So to take data from the Excel, I have created this method, and after that, like, I am calling this method from here. This one.
Yes.
So I don't know how to return.
Inside the file lib class, you have to put this get Excel there, right? Okay. Inside the file lib class, you put it down. This get Excel value should be put in different class. That is inside the file lib class, you have to put. Create an object of file lib class, then you call it.
Okay, sir. Like, we have to create any other class to do that.
Yes.
So, like, if you want to do in same class, it's not possible, sir.
No, it is possible. It is work. Okay. But it is not the example way of doing it. Okay, tell me now, what is it is working now or not?
If you want, like, I have created the method and I have called it in the main class. So, like, after that, like, I want to take this value and put it into that box. Like, here, I want to put that value here. So, like, I have to use this variable here. So, how to do that, sir?
First thing is create one class called inside the open that SRC. Open SRC. Create one package called Generics package. Is it there or not? Create one package, generic package. Create one package. Why you didn't attend my class? Are you upset to that class? Create calm.activate.generics. Create a package called calm.activate.generics. Everything in small letters. Okay? Everything in small letters.
Okay, sir.
Click on finish. Cut this method. Get Excel value, cut this method. Get Excel value, cut it. Put it inside there. Create one class called file name. Create a class called file name inside the generic package. Okay. Finish. Paste that method. Okay. Paste. Control V. Okay. Now save it and go to your that active class. Now same way you create. Okay. Scroll up. Remove line number 21. Remove line number 21. Create an object of file name class. Okay. File name f equals new file.
Sorry, sir. File. Yes, sir.
Okay. And now use that F1 dot then get Excel. Where do you want to put that Excel?
Okay, where I want to put that?
Value equals F1 dot get Excel value. Get Excel something you have to put it.
Like, I have to put in this X box, sir. So do I have to put it in like send key?
Yes. or put it now, value equals do like that. Okay, 1 second. What is the customer name, right? In line number, go to line number 23. Go to line number 23.
20. Yes, sir. Yeah.
After line number 23, enter. Click on enter. Customer name equals F1 dot. What is that? F1 or FL? What is that? F1 or FL? Put that.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Dot. Where is that method? Method only not coming.
Value.
Okay. What is the sheet name? You give the sheet name. A row number also you give it.
Yes, sir.
Semicolon. Put semicolon at the last. Line number 24. Okay. Now create local variable. Okay. Now copy that customer name and put it inside that wherever you want. Inside case. Okay. Like that only you have to use everywhere.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Practice. Okay. If you have any doubts, ask it on Monday. Okay.
Sir, one more to the last one.
And then tell me who is that? Anushriya?
It's a Tamanna is here. Actually, sir, I have downloaded in TestNG installed, sir. I again installed TestNG. Sir, can I share my screen, sir?
Share me. 1 second, Aditya. I'll come back.
Okay.
Implicit when you have used. Okay.